Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Kamaru Arifin, and I am a senior lecturer in the Department of Mathematics from UiTM Kedah Branch Campus. In today's video, I'm going to discuss some of the problems taken from the workshop that has been done in the previous semester with the previous low achiever students. Okay, so the topic that we're going to cover today will be the topic of markup and markdown, or simply we call it also as mathematics of retailings. All right, so these questions you can download from my course website. The link will be provided at the description below, so you can check on the website and you can download both the questions and also the answer scheme. All right, so without further ado, let's just continue with our first questions. Okay, the first question here states that a retailer buy a computer for 3,600 ringgit. The estimated operating expenses incurred for the sale of the computer are 5% of the retail price. If the retailer wants a 20% net profit based on the retail price, find first the retail price, second the net profit, and the third the markup. Right, so these are the three things that are asked to that we are asked to find or to calculate. All right, okay, so before we start with the solution, the first thing that you need to do, as I mentioned earlier in my previous videos, you need to identify the given information. So how do you identify the given information? So in mathematics, normally the given information is in terms of numbers, because we are dealing with numbers, right? So the first number that you see here is the 3,600 ringgit, right? So this is basically refer to the retailer buying a computer. So that means in this case, this is simply the cost. Okay, this is simply the cost. Okay, simply the cost of the computer. And then the second number that you see here will be the 5%. So this is basically the operating expenses. So you have the operating expenses is 5% based on the retail price. So which means that this is simply operating expenses is OE. So 5% of retail price can be rewrite as 0.05 SP, which is retail price. Okay, so we have this one, the second information. And the third information that we have here is the if the retailer wants the 20% net profit based on the retail price. So that means in this case you have 20% net profit based on retail price. So this gives you the net profit. So net profit, we denote it as NP, and this is 20% of the retail price, so that means 0.2 of SP. Okay, so these are the three information that are available for you, okay, given in the question itself. So the first thing that you need to do is to find the retail price. Okay, the retail price can be found by using the formula SP equal to C plus OE plus NP. So how do you get this formula? So remember that we have the general formula SP equal to C plus M, and then we have the gross profit formula GP equal to OE plus NP. Okay, and remember that gross profit and markup, that is M, is the same thing. So that means you can replace M with OE plus NP, since we already have the information on the operating expenses and the net profit. So using this formula, substituting the correct value into the formula, so you substitute C with C, and OE you can replace with 0.05 SP, and NP you can replace with 0.2 SP. So combining these two, you get 0.25 SP. Okay, So since you have SP on the right hand side and also on the left side, so you can combine these two by moving the 0.25 SP to the left side. So it become 1 SP minus 0.25 SP. Okay, so once you have that one, so 1 minus 0.25 SP, so you get 0.75. So finally you can evaluate the value of SP by moving back the 0.75 to the right hand side. So multiplication, when you move to the right hand side, it becomes a division. So you have C divided by 0.75, and substituting C with 3600, you get the selling price amount to be 4800. Okay, so that is the first question asked related to the given informations. All right, the second one asks you to find the, so just now we have done the retail price. The second one, they ask you to find the net profit, so that is NP, and you already know that the net profit is given by NP equal to 0.2 SP. So in previous solution, you get the value of SP is 4800. So replacing SP with 4800, you found that the net profit equal to 960. Okay, so that is the answer for the net profit. And last one, for these questions, they ask you to find the markup. Okay, so markup can be found by simply taking the difference between the selling price with the cost. Okay, between the selling price with the cost. All right, so what you can do here, okay, that is one way. Another way is by taking the sum of OE and NP. So this also will give you the markup value, that is 0.25 SP. So if you multiply 0.25 with the 4800, you also will get the value for the markup. So in this solution, I show you the first one, that is the markup is equal to the difference between selling price and cost. So which is 4800 minus the cost 3600. So you get the markup value to be 1200. Okay, if you take 0.25 SP to be the markup, substituting SP with 4800, you will also get the same answer, that is 1200. Okay, so that is the solution for the first questions. Okay, hope that you get some ideas on how to solve the problems related to mathematics of retailings. Until we meet again in the next video for the next questions. Thank you. Okay guys, I hope you have enjoyed the videos presented so far. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up by clicking the like button below. Do share the videos with others. And lastly, remember to subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell so that you will get notified as soon as a new video is released. Thank you and all the best.